Hello everyone. Welcome back to Guide Pro. Does your phone seem to tap or click on its own? Sometimes it feels like the screen is pressing by itself. This usually happens when auto click or dwell timing is enabled on your phone. Many users do not even realize this feature is turned on. Because of this, it can feel like your phone is broken or hacked. Let me show you the fix step by step. First, open your phone settings. Scroll down and tap on Accessibility. On some phones, this option may be inside Additional Settings. Now tap on Physical at the top. Here you will find an option called Auto Click or Dwell Timing. If this is turned on, your phone may register taps automatically. You can increase or decrease the time delay for auto clicks from here. This controls how long you need to hold your finger before the phone clicks. If you do not need this feature, simply toggle it off completely. Also, keep one more thing in mind. This problem can also happen when an external mouse is connected to your phone. If you are using a USB mouse or a Bluetooth mouse, disconnect it and check again. Sometimes the mouse pointer causes accidental clicks on the screen. Once auto click or dwell timing is turned off and the mouse is disconnected, your phone will stop clicking by itself. This prevents accidental taps and makes it easier to use your apps. Scrolling, typing, and normal gestures will feel smooth again. Remember, this feature exists to help users who cannot tap accurately. So if someone else needs it, you can always turn it back on anytime. If this video helped you, give it a like. Subscribe to Guide Pro for more Android tips and fixes.